guys, and welcome back to another episode of Like Me Easy, guys. Today I'm going to just be doing the announcement video for my 10K subscriber giveaway that I did a couple videos back. So there are two winners here. One got a prize each. One got the Xbox 14-day free trial, and the other one got the Assassin's Creed combo games. So I'm going to be DMing them the gifts, and I just want to thank everyone who entered the giveaway and followed me on my social medias. These guys were the most supportive out of all of them, so I chose these two as the winners. So guys, thank you once again for entering the giveaway. I'm probably going to do future giveaways, so guys, if you didn't win this one, you can enter and win one in the future. I'll just have to think of another giveaway at another milestone, maybe 20K or something like that, or 15K. So guys, here are the two winners here. We got Swearksree. He's been a huge supporter of the channel. He's been commenting on tons of my videos and leaving likes and stuff like that. So he's going to be getting the 14-day Xbox Live trial. And then we have the Doge Fart, Ronaldo. He's going to be getting Assassin's Creed because he DM'd me and he said he was a huge Assassin's Creed fan. So guys, that's going to be it for this giveaway. Thank you all once again for those who entered. Thank you guys for all this recent support. If you want to support me even more, you can go follow me on my social medias linked down below. You can use my affiliate links, like this video, comment any video suggestions you guys have. Always down for feedback. If you guys want to support me, you can use my Fortnite supporter creator code SCOOT4321. Got a bunch of cool videos coming out, so stay tuned, guys. Turn on those notifications if you haven't already. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.